We asked about the welfare check done to your father, ma'am. Ano na pong update po yun?
Yung welfare check na yon, usually kasi pag pumupunta yung officials from the Philippine Embassy in the Netherlands, nagsasabi sila at alam namin or alam ng defense team ng mga abogado na pupunta sila. Pero for this one or two, hindi ko pa masigurado kung 2 beses o 1 beses. Pero sigurado ako, hindi ko pa masigurado kung 2 beses. Pero sigurado ako na merong 1 beses na pumunta sila na hindi sila nagsabi sa pamilya man na nandoon sa Hague o sa defense team. Nalaman ko na lang siya noong merong report na binigay sa Office of the President.
Was there offense taken on your part? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Bakit,
Oo.
ma'am?
Kasi hindi naman sila nag-welfare check eh. Simula nung dumating si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, pumupunta sila doon for specific reasons, hindi dahil sa welfare check. So, noong nag-file ang abogado ng indefinite adjournment, noong proceedings, suddenly meron ng welfare check na ginawa yung officials ng embassy. At kung makikita mo doon sa report, ay ini-interview nila si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. And somehow, nagbibigay sila ng, although nagsabi naman sila doon that we leave it to the medical experts, sa assessment ng overall health niya. Pero meron silang mga insinuations doon na para bang silang nag-a-assess ng kanyang kalusugan.
And you see malice in that?
Of course, yes. I see malice in that. Number 1, they never did a welfare check. Number 2, they did not coordinate with the defense team. They did not inform the defense team or the family members who are at that time in The Hague. And yun, makikita mo sa report, nag-a-assess sila sa kalusugan.
Ma'am, but ICC said it has to have a consent of the detainee daw for them to allow any representative from the government. So we would like to assume, based on their statement, PR already allowed it.
Well, hindi ko na tinanong si Pangulong Duterte kasi ayaw ko na siya ma-stress at ma-distress sa mga nangyari. And ayaw ko na isipin niya na merong mali doon sa mga sinabi niya. So ayaw ko na i-confirm pa sa kanya kung ano yung nangyari doon. The confirmation of the reports that I got a copy of, enough na yon para sa akin na sabihin na na hindi maganda yung kanilang motibo sa pagpunta doon. Dahil unang-una, sinabi ko nga, hindi sila nagpasabi na pupunta sila doon. At nangyari lang yon noong nangyari lang itong welfare check na ito noong merong filing ng indefinite adjournment. At makikita mo sa report, nag-a-assess sila ng kalusugan.
Wala pong explanation sa inyo, VP, even after the fact na bumisita sila?
After the fact, wala silang explanation. I believe nag-explain ang Department of Foreign Affairs, ang DFA. They said that gumagawa talaga sila ng welfare check sa mga kababayan natin.
So where is he right now? Is he at the hospital or at the detention facility po, ma'am?
Nasa detention, as far as I know, nasa detention facility siyang today. Yes.
Kailan niyo po siya nakausap ng huli, ma'am? Nakausap.
Kailan ba siya? Friday to Friday siya sa akin eh. Friday of last week. No, Friday of last week siya. Kung siya huling nakakausap niya araw-araw si Kitty, si Veronica. But earlier today, Veronica messaged me telling me that she's busy today with her examinations. So can I take the call of President Duterte. So I expect him to call this afternoon around between 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. in The Hague.
May
How was
mental
si
health
ma'am?
condition po ni Pangulo? Is he well, unwell? Kamusta po si Pangulo?
We will soon know because I believe and I expect the court to litigate the submissions, the petitions of the defense.
I mean, the health condition po of your father. Kamusta
Oo.
po siya?
Like ngayon, today, hindi ko pa alam, hindi ko siya nakausap today.
Ma'am, kumusta yung usap yun on Friday? How was he po?
Last Friday, ano nga ba yung pinag-usapan namin? Nakalimutan ko na.
But does he sound well? Does he sound okay?
Hindi ko na maalala. Lately, he's been distressed about the flood control talk. So, I'll try to avoid that later.
What is he
Ma'am,
distressed about that? Why is he distressed about that?
Kasi, sasabihin lang naman kasi ni PRD na sinabi ko na si BBM ay hindi marunong, he's a weak leader, and he doesn't know anything at all about governance. So,
Are you distressed the same way as he is about the flood control issues?
oh yes ma'am, of course. Sinabi ko na yan noon, hindi naman masama ang loob ko sa ginawa nila sa paninira sa pangalan ko eh. Masama ang loob ko dahil sa ginawa nila sa bayan.
Ma'am, regarding the interim release, may country na po ba na pupuntahan si President Duterte?
Merong bansa na nagsabi na tatanggapin nila si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Hindi ko lang masabi kung saan.
Pero sa Asia ba ito? Sorry.
Hindi ko masabi kung saan, ma'am, kasi hindi ko masabi.